Hello everyone. In this lecture, we more learn about C and its syllabus. In C, variable and data type are very important. Variable store value and allocate memory. And data type, it can help any data for store value and allocate memory. There are two types of data type, primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive work at value and non-primitive work at address. There are four types of primitive. First one integer, second character, third float, and fourth is a string. And there are four type of non-primitive data type. First one array, second pointer, third structure, and fourth union. In future lessons or lectures, we briefly discuss about non-primitive data type. And for all primitive type data type, we use different format specifier. For integer, we use percentile %d. For character, we use percentile %c. For float, we use percentile %f. And for double, we use percentile %f. This sign is known as percentile. Variables are written with alphabet like A, X, Y, Z, any or at the rate. But we can't start variable from special character or any digit, and also we can't give space in the variable. One A, here we start variable with a digit 15FGR. Here also we start variable with digit exclamatory B. Here we start variable with special character XYZ space VDF. Here we put space in variable. These all are wrong. These are not variable. But in uppercase, we use these variables, and these are variable because these are variable because in this we start with alphabet. We can't use special character first, we use a special character in last. We can't use any digit, we use digit here, but we can't use digit here. Now we talk about its syllabus. In C programming, we know about C language, structure and method of input and output. Control statement, there are four type of control statement: if statement, if else statement, and nested if statement. Switch case, loops, while loop, for loop. In for loop there is nested for loop and do while loop. Then we study about pointer function. There are two types of function. First one primitive predefined, or second is user defined. There are four types of user defined function. First is no return no argument, no return with argument, return no argument, and return with argument. Then we study about array, then structure, and then union. After all these, we complete our C language.